Hi, I'm still working on the range of cakes, and in this video I'm going to be preparing a lemon cake. Preheat the oven to about 180 degrees. Preheat means just to turn it on before you start the cake to get it ready and to the correct temperature. I'm going to use the creamy method. I'll pop the margarine into the bowl, throw in the sugar and mix for about 3 to 5 minutes. Spread down the cake mixture from the sides of the bowl for even mixing. I've got 200 grams of eggs, that's about 4 eggs, an average of 50 grams per egg. Whisk the egg. I'm going to flavor with a teaspoon of vanilla. You can use any flavoring of your choice, orange, lemon, anything that you have in your kitchen. Stream the egg into the mixture on slow speed. I've got the flour with a little bit of nutmeg and some baking powder. I'll be adding the zest of one of the lemons. I'm adding in 1 lemon, the zest of the lemon, that's the peel, lemon peel, into the flour, and I'll pour it into the cake batter. Add the juice of 1 lemon for flavoring. The batter is now ready for baking. Prepare the cake pan with a little bit of cake margarine, veg oil or butter. You can also buy one of those spray cans that you just spray. Or you can line your cake pan with some cake baking sheets. This is to prevent the cake from sticking to the pan. There are also some latest pans that are non-stick that you can buy. If you have excess fat in your cake pan, you can just sprinkle with a little bit of flour and shake out to remove the excess oil. Pour the cake batter, the cake mixture, into the cake pan. Scrape down so you capture in all your batter. Level up the cake batter using a spatula and bake in the oven for about 20 minutes. I'm going to check if the cake is ready. I'll dip a knife into the center. If it's ready, it should come out clean with no batter sticking onto the knife. So our cake is now ready and I'm going to take it out of the oven. Once it's ready and out of the oven, the top bit should be nice and spongy, and to loosen it from the cake tin, cool it for a few minutes, and then using a clean knife, pry around the corners of the cake tin. Place the cake on top of the cake wire to cool down. To serve the cake, you can decorate it with icing, sugar, royal butter icing, royal icing, or any topping of your choice. But I'm just gonna serve it plain. So have a little portion and place onto a plate and serve with a fork. You can see the sponginess of the cake. Nice and yummy. Enjoy.